right. Jeff's got one.
Okay, you see that orange disc?
Yep.
Turn him this way. Turn him this way. Watch your riggers, Ryan. Okay, reel up to that. Okay, don't let him take my rod, okay? Hang on to the rod.
Got it, buddy?
Reel up to that disc, and then you're going to lift straight up. Okay, stop reeling and lift. Lift, buddy. Lift, easy.
Lift a little more. Yes, Jeff. Way to go. Good catch.
It's a nice king.
All right, Jeff. Look at that thing, man. That thing's awesome.
Go up.
Both of you up there in the middle, so you don't get hit.
That's a beauty. How was that compared to a northern? A little harder to be. Oh yeah, Mr. Tough Guy?
He's a tough guy.
You want to take a picture with him?
Get over
Definitely.
here, Jeff. We gotta get